Go ahead.
What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning the great speckled bird. Remember her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word. Desiring to lower her standards, they watch every move that she makes. They long to find fault with her teachings, but really they find no mistakes. What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning the great speckled bird. Remember her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word. I am glad I have learned of her meekness. I'm proud that my name's on the book, for I want to be one never fearing the face of my Savior's true love. What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning the great speckled bird. Remember her name is recorded on the pages of God's holy word. When he cometh descending from heaven, on the clouds as he rides in his word, I'll be joyfully carried to meet him on the wings of that great speckled bird. What a beautiful thought I am thinking concerning the great speckled bird. Remember her name